Hey everybody, it's Tina here at Deboer'S Auto. I just want to remind everybody about our loyalty program. Nothing's better than finding some more springs savings. So when you come to Deboer'S Auto, we just want to remind you, the minute that you start coming to us, you are instantly signed up for our loyalty rewards program. What does that mean to you? So that means that you get an instant $20 off your first service with us. In addition to that, you also get the ability to earn oil changes. So for every 5 oil changes that you do with us, your 6th one is free. That's a great value. And so in addition to that, for what you spend is what you're going to save. When you do important maintenance and repair work on your vehicle with us, you are earning percentages back to your fingertips. You can sign into your loyalty rewards program and see how you're doing and how many points you have at any given moment. In addition to that, should you be community minded, we offer the opportunity to donate your points to any local charity for anything that you may want to donate to. So don't miss out on the opportunity to check out our loyalty program. Make sure you sign in. In addition to the savings we provide you, there's local businesses that we partner with that also have discounts that you could use for your vehicle or for your home. Make sure that you utilize the referral service. For every referral you put, you can earn up to $25 for each referral. So when you refer people to us, you get rewarded, and so does the person that you're referring. They also get rewarded $25. If you have any questions about our loyalty program, give us a call anytime here at Deboer'S Auto. We'd love to get you signed up. We'll see you soon.